Hi everyone, it's Kathie Rhyme here in Bundaberg, Queensland, and you see before you a 12 by 16 inch or 30 by 40 centimetre canvas to which I've put some black paint on, and I'm going to do a black and white pour, and I'm going to be using my lemonade bottle bottom, which I usually find difficult to say, but here we go. So there's no silicone in any of these colours. And I'm only going to use black and white. So hopefully I'll have something very nice by the end of this. The recipes for these two paints and the pouring medium you'll find below the video under Show More. Some of them don't seem to be getting as much as others, so try and even that up a little bit. Oops, wrong one. This is coming up rather nice. Also underneath the Show More you'll find a link to my Facebook group, which is Australia Art Dreaming, so you're more than welcome to come across there and join us. I do have some more white here. Hey, come off, lid. And I think this might just about be enough. Might finish off with some white. That's enough. Right. And put a bit of white in the middle and a little bit of black. I think that's looking pretty good on its own. Okay, that does look nice. All right, bit of paper to cover this piece, mostly by the look of it. Alright. And then this piece, and then another piece, and then another piece for just here. Just doing this, cutting it down, making sure I don't have any air bubbles under there. And that's that. Okay, so picking up off my corners. Quite gooey. And I've wrecked it. Oh dear, that's not good. Alright, so going to do another one, but just different this time. Right. Air bubbles. And then one for this last little bit. And then I shall lift him again. Yeah, still not very happy. So it's got plenty of paint on there, so you know, I'm going to put more white on and just tilt it and see what I get. Not out of that one, not this one. And see if I can't just get a surprise packet. Right, and alright, this is a shame. Alright, keep saying that. Actually, it's turning out to be quite nice. And then around we go. Down, and I'm going to now, nothing under that black splurge, so I'll just do this. Alright, wipe my hands and torch it. See where the torch is. I know it's got air bubbles. So I'll bring you down to have a closer look and see what you think. No barking. So here we go. Really quite pretty, lots of line, very few cells. The only cells there I think were either from air bubbles popping or from the Floetrol. Tend to get a few of those. And yeah, it's quite nice. It's smoky there. Thank you very much for watching. I do hope you've enjoyed this. Please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, please do. Click the little bell, you'll be notified then as I put videos up into YouTube. And again, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.